Hello viewers, welcome back to Medical Tube. Today we are going to discuss some multiple choice questions with their answers. So let's begin our video. So our first question is, from the following pairs, find the one which is correctly matched. Option A, scurvy, thiamine. B, tuberculosis, ATS. C, tetanus, BCG. And option D, malaria, chloroquine. As we all know that chloroquine is the drug of choice for malaria. So the correct option is option D. Our next question is, the human heart is option A, neurogenic heart, option B, myogenic heart, option C, pulsating heart, option D, ampullary heart. Dear viewers, the heart of invertebrates is stimulated by nervous system and is called neurogenic heart, whereas the human heart is stimulated by sinoatrial node, also called as pacemaker, and is therefore called myogenic heart. So the correct option is option B, myogenic heart. Our next question is, which of the following is the largest group of animals? Option A, Nematoda, option B, Porifera, option C, Arthropoda, and option D, Mollusca. Dear students, phylum Arthropoda is the largest group of animals. So the correct option is option C. Our next question is, which are the special proteins in muscles that contract and relax to cause movement? Option A, contractile protein. Option B, receptor protein. Option C, structural protein. Option D, enzymatic protein. As we all know that contractile protein causes the contraction and relaxation of muscles. Actin and myosin are the examples of contractile proteins. So the correct option is option A, contractile protein. Coming to our next question, the richest source of vitamin D from food is option A, cotton seed oil, option B, olive oil, option C, cod liver oil, option D, sunflower oil. As we all know that the liver of cod fish contains the maximum amount of vitamin D. So the correct option is option C, cod liver oil. Coming to the next question, oncology is associated with treatment of option A, osteoporosis, option B, diabetes, option C, cancer, option D, renal failure. So students, onco means tumor or cancer and logi means study. So the correct option is option C, cancer. Our next question is, the OTC, over the counter medicine, crocin is an option A, analgesic, option B, antipyretic, option C, antiseptic, and option D, analgesic and antipyretic. As the medicine crocin includes paracetamol, and paracetamol is both used for pain relief and for temperature control. So it is also used as an analgesic and antipyretic. So the correct option is option D. Coming to our next question, who is known as father of zoology? Option A, Darwin, option B, Aristotle, option C, Lamarck, option D, Theophrastus. So students, Aristotle is known as father of zoology. So the correct option is option B. Coming to the next question, animal without red blood cells. Option A, frog, option B, peacock, option C, snake, option D, earthworm. So students, earthworm is the animal without red blood cells. It does not have any red blood cell. So the correct option is option D. Coming to next question. The energy released by 1 gram of glucose is option A 4 kilocalories, option B 6 kilocalories, option C 3 kilocalories, and option D 5 kilocalories. So students, 1 gram of glucose releases about 4 kilocalories of energy. So the correct answer is option A 4 kilocalories. Our next question is the cells that secrete testosterone. A. Nerve cells. Option B. Fat cells. Option C. Muscle cells. Option D. Interstitial cells. So, students, testosterone is basically secreted by the interstitial cells. So, the correct option is option D. So, our next question is what percentage of glucose is normally found in human blood? Option A 0.008, option B 0.0008, option C 0.08, and option D 0.018. So 0.08 percentage of glucose is normally found in human blood. Therefore correct answer is option C. Our next question is which structural organization is most common in globular proteins? Option A primary structure, option B tertiary structure, option C secondary structure, option D quaternary structure. So dear students, tertiary structure is basically most common in globular proteins. So the correct option is option B. Coming to the next question, which part of the nervous system is responsible for controlling reflex action? Option A corpus callosum, option B pons, option C vermis, option D spinal cord. So dear students, all the reflex actions in our body are controlled by the spinal cord. So the correct option is option D. Our next question is out of 31 pairs of spinal nerves, how many pairs of lumbar nerves are there? Option A 5, option B 10, option C 15, option D 20. So there are 5 lumbar nerves in our spinal cord. So the correct option is option A. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you liked the video. Subscribe for more MCQs and helpful content and do share with your friends. Thank you very much.